favorite things about Texas are the live music, the barbecue food, and the two-stepping. Thought I'd take you with me as I get ready for a night out in Texas and show you how I keep my look fresh all day long. Stick around to the end of this video if you want to see my dancing skills, and subscribe for more videos. So when it comes to getting ready, outfit is key. I want to wear something that's cute and casual, but I also feel comfortable in, and whenever I have a full evening ahead of me, I also like to wear something fresh. So today I'm starting my routine with a little bit of laundry. Some of my biggest issues with my clothing are 1. Jeans stretching out after just one wear, 2. That dreaded sweater fuzz, and 3. Picking up unwanted odors and smells whenever I'm out and about. Does anyone else relate? Alright, I have some advice that's going to change your laundry loading life. So to prevent these issues, my mom taught me back when I was a freshman in college to use Downy's fabric conditioner. The cute little bottle with the pink top. So lately, I've been refreshing my routine with Downy's Protect and Refresh liquid fabric conditioner. So now I've been using Downy since, I was a freshman in college, and I can't believe I'm actually able to partner with them on this video. So this is why I use fabric conditioner every time I do my laundry. First of all, Downy Protect and Refresh is like a deodorant for your clothes, and it actually strengthens the fibers of your clothes. For real though, guys, this is why I don't do my laundry if I don't have Downy's fabric conditioner. Plus, I prefer to smell pretty good, so. As I wait for my laundry, I usually make myself a little snack and a cup of coffee for a midday pick-me-up. I've been using whipped cream as my sweetener in my coffee, and it's pretty delicious. Then it's time to curl my hair, and I'm still figuring out how to style shorter hair because I just cut about 5 or 6 inches off of my hair, but the biggest thing to remember is to curl away from your face and leave out about 1 to 2 inches from the bottom of your hair. This creates a bend in your hair rather than a curl, and I find that it looks really nice if you add a little bit of texture spray to keep volume in my hair and prevent it from getting flat as we're out dancing and switching from bars to restaurants. Once my laundry is done, it's time to pick out the outfit. Today, I'm wearing my favorite pair of skinny jeans. For my top, I went with a pop of red. This is a cold shoulder top that also just transitions easily from day to night. And then my cowboy boots that have this floral embroidery. I've had these for 4 years, and they're probably my favorite shoes in my closet. For my makeup, you guys know me, I usually go for a pretty natural look. My mom always says the point of makeup is to make it look like you're not wearing any, but sorry mom, since I'm going out tonight, I'm gonna add a little extra bronzer and blush just to contour and create a really fresh look. And then I always use a matte lipstick because I find that it just lasts longer. Before I head out, it's time to do one more mirror check, and we are good to go. Today, I'm so excited to show you guys some of my dancing skills as we hit up some of my favorite restaurants and bars in Texas.
And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. Dance, dance, dance. You dance, dance, dance. We go fast till they can replay. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. Who knows why it's gotta be this way? I fly so high, no ceiling. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. Just imagine, just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling.